Yes, sir.
Okay, so our third part is designing the solution. So first we studied gathering requirement, how we are going to gather requirement. Okay, so we studied that gather requirement. There are five ways are there to gather requirement. So here designing the solution, right? After getting all the requirement from the customer, we are going to design, right? What, so for the designing, so read this one. The requirements identified in the requirement analysis phase are transformed into a system design document that accurately describes the design of the system. So here I have given a link for you all. So this document is called SRS document. So here what we do is, what is the software that I am going to use to develop this software, what is the database software I am going to use in developing this software, what are the hardware that is needed, what are the requirements are there. Some softwares are there, I think you have experienced, they will run in Windows 7. Some softwares they will not run in Windows 7, we need Windows 8 and higher operating systems. Some softwares we need 2 GB RAM, some softwares we need 1 GB RAM, some softwares we need a VGA card. So likewise we are going to decide, after developing the system, this software is going to run in which what kind of environment. Okay, so all these things we are going to decide in the second phase. So here software architecture, what software architecture we are going to use, and designing UI, that means the user interface, how the user interface, what is the color of the user interface. I know, I think you all know what is the user interface. User interface means what will the customer see in the desktop, what will be the color, what is the shape of the buttons. Okay, what is the technology that we are going to use in developing the user interface. Okay, next one, identifying hardware components to work on the software. Let's say if it is a tutorial, right, we are going to introduce a barcode system, so we need a barcode reader. So we are identifying the component, we need a barcode reader. So likewise, what are the hardware components that we need? Dependency of subsystems. Okay, so let's say this system, if it's a tutorial, once the receptionist is collecting the money directly goes to the bank, and the bank account system and the collecting fee system, both systems are integrated, are joint merged together. Likewise, what are the subsystems are available, what are, which subsystem is going to work independently, which subsystem is going to join with other system. Then what is the software that we need, what is the operating system that we need, what is the hardware, what is the RAM, what is the VGA card that we need to run this software. Okay, then the infrastructure. Okay, here we are going to design the operating system, and we are going to design what is the database that we are going to use. So all these things we are going to design in designing phase. So the last one, planning the test, how we are going to test. After developing the system, we want to test it, so how we are going to uh, test this. So all these things we are going to decide here. So planning the test. Okay, so this is the second phase. Now the third phase comes. So first phase is gathering the requirement, second phase is designing. Now the third phase only we are going to develop the
Guardian of
system,
the
that
solution.
means we are going to code. So coding, so here we are going to decide, so in second phase we are going to decide which programming language, whether we are going to use Pascal or Java or VB.NET, what is the software, what is the programming language we are going to start, we are going to use. So here we are going to start developing. So coding, the design system starts here. In this phase, developer needs to follow certain predefined coding guidelines. They also need to use programming tools like compilers, interpreters and debuggers. Okay, so that means we are going to use a programming language. So let's say if you are using a programming language like Java. So various tools are there. IntelliJ, NetBeans. Likewise, many softwares are there. So which software we are going to use here? So all these things will be decided, and we will be starting developing, or we will be starting the coding part in our third phase. Okay. So next one.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
On the previous slide, what is interpreters?
Yes, interpreters and compilers it's a last part in your chapter 1. Okay, so compilers and interpreters, let's say we know that computer knows only machine language, yes or no, that is
Yes.
ones and zeros, but we are typing the codes in English. So can you remember how we type the code in Pascal?
Yes.
Yes.
Program,
Yes,
and we are
yes.
giving a name,
Yes.
and we are writing input output. For variable we are writing var. Likewise, so that means we are typing in English. So compilers and interpreters, what they will do, they will convert all these English keywords into machine language. Okay,
Yes.
so after that only the computer will know what he has to do. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so
Sir,
let,
the third one and the second one are like similar, no, madam. Sir,
which one? Third one is,
coding and the solution,
yes, coding,
the
coding solution. And
and the design and
second
the
part, we
second
are
one.
going to decide what programming language we are going to use. We are going to design the things, whether we are going to use Java, or whether we are going to use Pascal, or whether we are going to use Python. Okay, we are going to
Okay.
decide whether we are going to do uh, Microsoft Excel, access for the database, or whether we are going to do use MySQL. So likewise, there are many databases are there. Which database we are going to use? Those things are happening in second phase. Understood?
Ah,
So let's say
yes,
for
sir.
we are building house. So we are going to decide which brand cement we are going to buy, from where we are going to buy the bricks. Okay, from where we
Okay,
are
sir.
going to buy the sand. So all these things will be decided in second phase. Third phase, we are starting building the house. Understood?
Ah, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Right, so I'm going to stop my this third part, and I'm going to start again. Okay.